Hey, you want to learn how to buy business without using any of your own cash? I've done it, I teach it, and that is why I'm here to help you do it too. I am Benjamin Huang. I started my career solving high-level business problems at places like Harvard, Johns Hopkins, the Department of Defense, McKinsey, and even the White House. But here's what I realized. None of these places actually teach you how to build real wealth. The fastest way to wealth, it's not starting a business from scratch. It's buying something that's already working. So I took everything I've learned and started buying businesses. Laundromat, landscaping companies, service businesses using creative financing, raising capital and structuring deals so I've never had to use my own money. Now I teach other people how to do the same. And on this channel, I'm giving you everything you need to start buying businesses yourself. Every week, I drop step-by-step guide, deal breakdown, and strategy you can use right now to get started. Since you're here, I want to give you some free tool to help you buy your first business faster than you ever thought possible. Gift number 1. Every week, I run the live Q&A where I answer your biggest business buying questions. I break down real deals and help you get started. The link to join is below. Make sure you don't miss it. Completely free. Gift number 2. You need to know how to talk to seller, analyze deals, and structure an offer. I'm giving you my exact checklist and script so you know exactly what to say and what to look for. You can download it for free. Link is also in the description. Gift number 3. So one of the biggest mistakes that I see people are making buying businesses is not setting up their LLC correctly. You need to structure your business the right way from day one to protect yourself, get tax advantage, and make sure you can scale. That's why I personally use Prime Corporate Service to handle all my LLC and corporate structures. They make sure you're set up the right way so you can raise capital, get funding, and buy businesses legally. You can also get your LLC set up today. Link is below. So I'm giving away everything I've learned for free. So hit the subscribe right now, turn on notifications so you will never miss a videos. Also, follow me on Instagram for even more behind the scene deal breakdown. And since you're serious about buying businesses, you know what? The first thing you need to understand is how to evaluate a business the right way. Click the next video right here and I will walk you through step by step.